All right, folks. So I got these two fenders all shot. Two different whites, two different guns, essentially. Well, literally two different guns, but really three different guns, because I have two of the Inokraft Drizzle Pros, one for base, one for clear. I also have their Drizzle D1, which it's a dedicated primer gun for me because I have the two Pros for base and clear. But let's look at these fenders and talk about them. So this one I did 100% with the Drizzle Pro. So I did the base coat with the Pro with the base cap. Okay, so this one has 1.3B. This one has 1.3C. And these are the air caps and nozzles that these are shipping with now. I had to get the new air caps, the B and the C, because the original way that they packaged and shipped these guns came with 2 needles, 2 nozzles, 1 air cap. Now they're selling it with 2 needles, 2 nozzles, and 2 air caps. 1 for base, 1 for clear. As you can see by the C there, it's a clear. By the B there, that's for the base. So these guns are awesome. I really like them. I like the price point as well. So I did the base coat, as you saw, with the base nozzle set, and then I did the clear coat with the clear nozzle set. You can see very little, and I'm sorry they're white. I probably should have done black, but I figured the white would be better with the overcast situation. But if you look, there is a very little bit of orange peel in this. Very little bit. In fact, if it didn't have this bug splatter I did and this water splatter I did to try to speed this situation up, I wouldn't even, if I was putting that on a vehicle, I wouldn't even cut and buff it. I mean, other than taking out a few dust nibs, the whole thing doesn't need to be cut and buffed. It just doesn't. Most people wouldn't see the flaws that are in it, let alone fewer than it has now. So anyway, the Drizzle Pro guns just work so well for the price point. Now, yes, you can spend $700–800 on a gun. You could even spend $400 on a gun, and it still likely won't do any better job than the Drizzle Pro does. But I think the star of the show today was the Drizzle DX. So, or Inokraft DX. This is the Drizzle X, which is the DX, if you will. I got this all cleaned out. I got my guns all cleaned. Everything is good to go. I'm very happy with how this sprayed. I can see myself using that on some mobile jobs. If you look, it has very similar orange peel to the other fender, but man, it almost looks like it's a little bit less peel. That one doesn't have much peel at all, but this has even less than that. Again, I'm sorry, I should have done higher contrast colors. I figured with the darkness these white ones would be better, but I'll shoot some darker panels soon. I can see where I dragged that bug straight through the clear and just put another coat on it. This fender was a replacement fender because it came out of the box with all these dents in it, and the company sent me another one, so I used that one, which actually had to body work as well. But I mean, these finishes are awesome. I would not select one of these over the other to put on a car if I needed to do that. Now, I would not allow any of this to go out of my shop. I would not allow any of this to go out of my shop. I also take care of the dust nibs and generally wet sand most things that need it. But, I mean, as you can see, these fenders don't need a whole lot, with exception of the obvious, like I've already mentioned. Because I know some random wonderful keyboard warrior that's never painted a thing before in his life is going to tell me, oh, well, oh, that looks like shit. I would never give that to a customer. Well, they're not customer fenders. They're demo fenders for you to see, and that is it. In fact, they're going to get painted another color tomorrow because I got other things to do. But anyway, just a couple of test fenders I've got laying around. I wanted to do some testing and some spray outs on the DX, and I'm going to tell you once again, people. Look, I do not get paid by Inokraft. I am going to also say I do love the DX. I absolutely love it. Is it a replacement for traditional? I don't believe that it is a complete replacement. This is for the do-it-yourselfer, the DIY guy that wants to do a whole car at home and doesn't want to buy an 80-gallon compressor, doesn't want to buy all these fancy moisture traps and all the fancy hoses and the fittings and the this and the that. This is for the guy that wants to paint something, wants to maybe have it as a hobby, wants to paint his car, doesn't want to have all this equipment left over if he only does it one time. This is incredible value, and it just works. The finish is awesome. The way that it works is amazing. It's got all the professional goodies, the correct fluid tip sizes. Everything's brass inside, so nothing's going to be affected negative by the solvents. It has an air filter in the back so that the motor doesn't burn up. It has an 800-watt motor. It has the gravity feed PPS cup system, pressurized cup system. It's got all the pro stuff in a nice little package, in a beautiful box, and it just works. If you're a pro and you've got the compressor and you've got the lines and you've got everything and you want to maximize your, I guess, the way things spray, because maybe you're not the best, but you want the gun to really, you know, help you to not show off your flaws as much, the Inokraft Pro, the Drizzle Pro, is definitely a high-end, fantastic, lightweight, low volume, low pressure gun that I would highly recommend. If you don't have the money to put out for the pros, I mean, for just a little bit more money than the Drizzle D1, you can get this. So, I mean, lots to think about. But this company right here, great company. Inokraft, awesome, awesome, awesome company. They care about their products. They care about their customers. And I know firsthand what they do to take care of their customers. I've been a customer of theirs for a while. I am working with them to develop the DX, just like many other painters on YouTube. Again, if this sucked, I either wouldn't post a video on it, or definitely wouldn't be talking it up like I am. I just would not continue to talk about how awesome it is if it sucked. I just wouldn't. However, they gave me that for free. So it's awesome of them to let me in as, you know, part of the development team on the DX. But whether using the DIYer's dream, the DX, or the Drizzle Pro, or the Drizzle D1, you cannot go wrong. And if you need anything from this company, all you've got to do is reach out. They get right back to you. They're all educated in what they sell, educated in what they say, educated in what they do. They know how to treat their clients, customers, if you will. So anyway, that's enough of me babbling. I'm done for the day. These fenders look amazing. Drizzle Pro, Drizzle X. I'll tell you, great offerings from a great company, but don't take my word for it. For $140, you can have this full setup. You need it. If you're going to paint anything, you need it. If you're going to paint, and listen, just real quick, I'm going to touch on the fact that in the past year, YouTube has been overrun with the craziness that is people trying to use an electric house sprayer on their car. Inokraft has settled the debate. They have eliminated the confusion. They have built you what you need. An actual, more professional grade house sprayer, if you will. And that is the Drizzle DX. Thanks for watching, guys. My name is Garry Dean, Rapid Ride Rehab. 813-846-4406 is my cell. Should you need me, give me a call. If you need something body worked or painted, if you need something detailed, some metal fabrication, trailer repair, fiberglass repair, I do all of it. We do paintless dent repair. We do paint touch-ups. We do all kinds of things that you need. So give me a call. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.